So, custom domains. Of course, when you create a directory, you want to make it your own and you want to connect your custom domain. But as scary as it sounds, it's very easy to implement. So we need to click to set custom domain, enter your domain here, example.com, click next. And here you will see the instructions on how to do it. You need to add in your domain provider, you need to create this record with the host name, which will be your domain name, and value, which will be the IP address of Directify. So for host name, for Cloudflare, and for Namecheap, sometimes you need to just add at instead of the host name, which will be the root domain. You can find details in the documentation. And for subdomains, you just need to create the CNAME to your domain, and then you need to add the target, which will be the subdomain name here. Be aware that if you change your subdomain, you will need to do this step again. After you add this configs, click next, and then just click submit, and the system will verify your domain and create SSL certificate and assign the domain to your subdomain. Once everything is finished, you will receive an email about it, and you will see these check marks here that domain is verified and SSL is installed. That's pretty much it on how to connect the custom subdomain. Stay tuned. Cheers.